Good evening, everyone. We are back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, October the 5th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 0 stars instead of the 3 stars Sudoku. We have 3 puzzles left, the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah, you are interested in the 4 stars Sudoku number 7206, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits as usual. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, let's get a puzzle. We have 1 1, 3 2s, 1 2 3s, 4 4s, alright. 2 3 5s, 2 6s, 4 7s, okay. 3 8s and 2 9s. So the 4s and the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 7? Nope. Can I start with the 4? Yes, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. Is here 4 in this row? No, 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row, in that row, so in the row between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 4 4 4. Need a 4 here. Okay, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Here 4 in the first column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here or there. You see here 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. Okay. How about the 8 in this column, the 8 in that column? So in the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this column should be there. 9 9. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. No, 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, last row, no 7 there. Here 7 in that row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the second row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Let me. Okay. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3, 3, in a 3 here. 1, 2, 8. We have a 2 in this third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the third row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. Oh, overlook this 8. Not correct, not correct. This is not correct. Overlook the 8. We already have an 8 here. Let me see. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. Oh no, in this column for numbers 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and a 6 is missing, 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 6 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, middle row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. And 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. Let me think. 5, 5. No 5 here. 5, 5, 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the only place, the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square. No 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. In the last column, here or there, we see another 6 in this third row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 digit left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9. Here, 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this box. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. Then 4, 5, 7, 8, 2, 1, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. Now. 6, 6, 6, 6, and I need a 9 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in the second column, so no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. Okay. 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, 5, 1, 8, 5. Wow. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Let me mark those. Need a 1 here. 1 there. 1, 8, 3, 9. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. And 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be 1 in this column. 1 in the column next, so in the last column there are only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, on there. 1, okay. 1, 8, 3, 9. 8, 3, 9. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes early with 8. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So, yeah. We have all the 8s, let them count, and all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 9 and a 6. Okay. 9. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5, 2 and a 9. 9. 2 and 3. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2, for the 3 correction, should be here. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and 6. 3 3 3 3. Alright, 2 and a 6. 2 9 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 3 9 and 1 3 9 and 1 5 and a 9 5 9 and 3. Come on, this is taking too long. 9 6 and 2. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 2 is missing, 3 4 5 6 is missing. 2 and a 6 2 and a 6 6 and a 9 2 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the first column, there are only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 1 2, need a 3. Here, 3 missing numbers in this column. 1 of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1 2 3 4 5. He's missing 7 6 7 8 9 is missing. 5 and a 9 5 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and a 9. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 2 9 5 5 and a 9 5 and a 9. Okay, what's happening? We have all the 3s and no, we need a 3 here. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digital phone number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 2 3 4 5 is missing. 6 7 8 9 is missing. 5 and 9 5 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. So 9 in this column, 9 in the column next in the last column. There are only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. We see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 2 is missing. 3 4 5 is missing. 2 and a 5 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row below there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here, 1 there. See a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 2 is missing. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is missing. 2 and a 9 2 and a 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Well, 19 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.